A sharp drop and a smart recovery is seen across gold and silver yesterday, and now it is back to again the same levels where it started the day yesterday. So now what to expect? Which position you should take trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. The next update will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Also, you can remain updated with the live market updates by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now see, one important point to note with the yesterday's drop, it yet failed to break past 1910 levels, very strong support, and has retraced on the middle of it. Also, if you look at it, you can see it is creating higher lows, higher highs. Now higher lows, higher highs, this means that first resistance to be at around 1935 and then at around 1945. This is the channel it is trying to create. At the same time, on the downside, now 19, 14, 16 levels are very good support. Also, if you look at, this is a complete symmetrical formation here, red, green, drop, retracement, and upwards. So the next candle might take it somewhere here. We have to be watchful. Any rise above 1930-31 level, certainly we should see 1935-36, and beyond that, more bullishness is going to prevail in gold. The stochastic has room for it to rise. The MACD is also trading with very little divergence, and in green, RSI is almost flat. And on the 2-hour charts, similar observation here. Also, you can see now 1925 and 24 are two greater support. So once you see it trading below 1924, you can take a sell entry. However, be careful of 22, 20 and then 1916 levels. Very good support exists till then. Stochastic here is overbought on the 2-hour charts, and that is why we can see one red candle. MACD is in green. RSI is almost flat. While on the 3-hour charts, now look at 3 hours, you can see higher lows, higher highs, trying to create a bullish channel of its own. This could be the first candle. At the same time, look at the resistance zone here, almost at the same levels. Also, one must observe rise, drop, retracement. And if it fails to rise on the upside and drops here, you can see we may see a second leg of drop, which might take it till towards 1916. It still should not be treated as bearish. Till the time gold stays above 1910, we are not going to treat gold as bearish for today. Stochastic overbought. MACD is in green. RSI looking upwards. It is trying to indicate slight positivity. And similarly on the 4-hour charts, now see, moving averages have crossed over. This is a 20 and 50 period crossover, while the 100 period is still well up above. And hence, this is a zone which is going to give it a great support, that is 2022 levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD bullish, RSI flat. And on the daily, now look at the daily chart. The previous candle had a long tail and a very small body, kind of a hammer formation here. Now once you see it trading above 1930, then we have to look forward to 35, and then probably this could be the chance for it to inverse completely and can lead to a rise from here. Hence, we have to be careful today. Beyond 1930 levels, certainly more bullishness, and specifically above 35, certainly the bulls should try to lead the prices higher. However, the stochastic on the 4, 3, 2-hour charts are a little overbought, and hence we have to wait for it to cool down a bit. The stochastic here on the daily charts is almost near to top, while the MACD, if you look at it, is divergent, bullish, and see this is coming at a lower levels, and hence it can lead to a sharper rise. RSI almost flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to stay long in gold once you see it trading above 1930 levels. 1930-31, greater resistance here, then 35-36, the next stop. Beyond that, certainly sky is the limit for gold today. We can see it hitting 40-42 zone first, and then 50 levels also can be expected. Take your trades accordingly. On the downside, any sell entry at 24. But see, this is a riskier trade here, as 22 and 20 are two greater supports, and then below that 14 to 16 zone is the greatest support today. Only if you see it dropping below 14 to 16, we can see that gold is going to continue with the bearish momentum here. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch starts on, it has already started yesterday. And those who want to join the next batch, reserve your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, you can see on the hourly chart, silver is first, this was the resistance here at 2320 and now the resistance here at 2330. Also, it has already achieved 2330 levels. Now trying to see, it has formed a megaphone pattern. Support is seen here at 2315 levels and 2310 levels, and hence, and then 23. So this is the zone where silver has got the maximum support level, and below 23 only further bearishness is going to prevail. Also look at the moving averages, trading with divergence, trading with bullishness. A possible conversion of price still towards 2310 exists, but that is a greater support. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD is in green, RSI flat, nor not indicative of anything here. Look at the 2-hour charts for silver. We discussed about the symmetry here. See, we discussed there yesterday also that, see, one red, one green, sideways, sideways, one red, one green. So this is done till here. Now it has taken its path here, and this is a bullish channel. Also, if you look at 2-hour chart, now this is the support level, and hence a sell entry below 2310 can be taken. However, $23 is the maximum support, and below that only further bearishness. Now see, the prices are divergent from the 20 and 50 period moving average. First thing is moving average should come up. Second is price to come down. Both can happen, and then only it will take its further direction. Stochastic dropping here. The MACD is divergent and bullish on the 2-hour charts. Good sign. RSI flat, and on the 3-hour. Now look at 3-hour chart. See, the previous candle has formed a very good wick. With that as support, it is now trying to rise. And anytime if you see it trading below 2310, you can sell for 23. Very, very good support. And below that only further bearishness. But remember, this is the channel that is now situated at around 2270, 2280. This should not be breached. If it breaks below this zone, specifically 2260, it is going to give a very, very strong crash. And hence one has to be careful. At least if you are seeing a drop there below $23 level, you can say that 2280, 2270 and till 2260, we should not be treating silver as bearish. It can bounce back strongly. Stochastic dropping here, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards, trying to trade bullish. Now look at 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour charts, $23 level support here, big bullish candle retracement, first candle, second candle, and a third candle should take it further upside, but right now it is getting resistance and it is hesitant of breaking past by 2330 levels. Also, if you look at the stochastic is overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily chart, one important observation. Now the 20 period moving average is curving upwards, very good sign, and this makes 2310 again a very, very good support. With that as support, we can see this rise here. Also, this is indicated, see, it has respected the channel here, and it is now looking forward to the top of the channel, which is right now at around 2350 levels. And see, the moving averages have crossed over. This is a bearish sign as of now, and this zone is very, very important till 2350 levels for silver. Only above this zone further bullishness might take the prices higher. Also remember, see, one important point on silver here is, see, the drop retracement, and this is a retracement channel. Till the time it stays below 2360, this is still a retracement channel and not a reversal. Above 2360 only we should treat silver as bullish here. The stochastic is rising, the MACD is divergent and bullish looking upwards, RSI is also with a positive slope, and hence above 2330, yes, you can buy. Expect 2350 levels to be seen at least, and 23, or rather I'll say 2340 to 60 is a greater resistance for silver. And if it stays about 2360 just along, we are going to look forward to a massive rise in silver, which might take it till towards $24 levels. On the downside, a sell entry is below 2310, where you can expect 23 as a greater support. And if you see it trading about below 23, stay short for 2280, 2270 zone. Very, very good support exit there. Take your trades accordingly, and always trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.